All right, so we're gonna do smoked cream cheese here. So usually start by scoring it. I usually do just cross hatches. That way, as it smokes, it opens it up and gets more surface area for more smoke. Also makes it look pretty. We're gonna top with, we have some Meat Church Texas sugar. That's literally all you have to do. All right, we're gonna take our smoked cream cheese and throw it on the smoker here. Running at 220 for 1 to 2 hours. All right, we're gonna check on our cream cheese here. It's been on for about an hour and a half. Looking pretty delicious. Nom 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 nom. All right, now it's time to taste test our smoked cream cheese. Smoked this just under 2 hours. Same for you.
Smoky.
Delicious.
Cheesy.
Delicious.